Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to upload file by using drag and drop like this. See here file is uploaded and I can able to upload by clicking this text. See one more time. See, I am just uploading this. Here file is uploaded. If you don't want some file means just I don't want this file, just click on delete, file will delete. Okay, I am just using this npm package React Dropzone. Yeah, let's start. You need to install this, and I already running this project, and also I am installed this plugin, so you need to install that. I paste that and install. Okay, make sure to connect internet, it will download some necessary files. So I'm just going to copy this code and just pasting here, and I just align, just click on tab, it will move, and here too. This is fine. I'm just going to copy this all and paste here, and we need to import this. Yeah, it is imported, it is coming from React. Okay, we need to import this also, it is coming from React Dropzone. Okay, now everything is fine, and I just click on save, and if I console this, and if I click on save, right now this is our UI. Just go to inspect and console, clear everything, and I just drag and drop. See, these files are all uploaded. If I upload any file, it will replace, old file will get deleted and new file will be present. So I need to fix this everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just do some makeup here, like I want to create one state, const this files, set files, this is use state, initially it is an array, and this use state is imported here. Okay, just copying this, and here I'm just pasting that, and inside I'm just adding an array. Here I need to spread that because I want a existing file also, so I'm just spreading that, and then I'm just copying this also, I'm just spreading this and paste this. Now our file is ready. I'm just copying this and console after this, and I just save this. Here I just refresh the screen, and I'm just opening this, just upload these three files, just drag and drop. File is uploaded in this file. Right now it is 3 file is present, and I'm going to upload one more file by clicking on this. Now you'll see now 4 file is there, 0 1 2 3. Now our files are all ready. I'm just going to display that next to this. Okay, whichever the file is uploaded. Now I just closing this, go to code, and right now we have all image in this. Okay, so just copying this next to this div. Here I'm just adding one condition, files dot length greater than 0, just do this. Okay, here I just map this, I'm just adding one bracket. Here I will get images, and I want to get index also. Here I'm going to directly create a div here. Okay, here just looping this one. Okay, otherwise I will add a delete button also. Here I just add a p tag, but I will just display this, Control V. Now if I save this, just refresh the screen, and just opening this, I just uploading these 3 files. Why it is showing error? It is showing object are not valid. So we'll check this. Just check the console. Is that having a correct file type? Yeah. Okay. Here we directly displayed that entire data. You don't display this p tag. So we are going to display only the name. see here this name, that is what the problem. So we need to copy this and here dot and paste that. Now this will display. Just refresh the screen, go here and I just upload this. Yep, files are all showing, and if I upload this file, see it is also showing. If I click and upload this, see it is also added here. Right now it is allowing us to upload multiple files. Okay, now everything is fine and we need to delete this image whichever we don't want. Okay, so I'm going to add a button. It is delete. Just add a on click function and we need to use this index. Okay, here I just create on handle delete, just passing that index here, this index. Okay, and copy this and create function next to this arrow function. Okay, I'll just accept that index here, getting as a param. Okay, sorry, it should be a lower bracket, and here set files this state. Okay, we need to set the view list here, whichever is deleted, we don't want to display inside this. Okay, so data or something, you give some values here, val, and inside this I'm just copy that, copy the existing file. Okay, and here cpy, and I'm just spreading that here. I'm just copy this and paste that dot splice. I'm going to delete the whichever they are passing. Okay, I need to pass this one here, sorry, because we will get a value here also. I'm just passing, control C here and paste that. And I'm going to delete the index and final values like I just returned the copy. Now we will update the existing state. Okay, now delete is also complete. I just save this file and right now delete is also showing. I just refresh the screen, I just drag and drop these two files. It is uploaded. Just upload one more file, this one. It is showing at the last. I just upload one file by using this button click. Right now I just refresh the screen and just going to delete this one. Okay, so click that, that one is deleted. See this updated array list is right now 3. I just delete that. I'm going to delete this one, God decide. See right now it is showing updated file, it's like this. Yep, it is working as we expected. Yep, I think this is what I tried to tell in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.